Hello, welcome to our Java channel. I am Amrita welcoming you to our today's topic Introduction to Java. So in this topic we are going to see what is Java, what is the history of Java, what are the versions of Java available, why to use Java, and now where Java is used and how the Java works. So let's begin with our topic. So what is Java? So Java is a programming language which is widely used to develop any web application or the desktop application. So why it is widely used? Because it is a popular choice of developers over decade. Then you will think why it is used, why it is so famous? Because Java is pure object oriented programming language. Though C and C++ are there, but they are not purely object oriented. So Java is pure object oriented and it can run on millions of devices such as notebook, computers, mobile devices, gaming console, medical devices and many other software platforms which nowadays use. So as it is based on the object oriented programming language, it creates the modular view, modular programs, reusable code and so these features are basically important to develop any enterprise application. One more feature is it is Java provides both compiler and interpreter, so we don't need separate compiler and interpreter for developing Java application. Okay, so the next part will be history. So the history of Java is much interesting because it is first thought to be used for the television, but later it observed that it was too advanced technique for cable TV. So the later Java is invented. So Java is developed by James Gosling and his team in 1990. So the first so as I told, it is first developed for digital devices such as set-top box and television, but that didn't work. So James Gosling with his team called Green Talk has developed this with the extension like ext with the extension as .gt. So because their project was named as a Green Talk and that was having extension as .gt and later it was known as the Oak. Why Oak? Because Gosling's office is outside of Gosling's office has oak tree outside and also it is a image of solidarity and it is a national tree of USA, France, Germany, etc. So, in 1995, Oak was renamed as Java because Oak was already a trademark of Oak technology. So Gosling came with the name as a Java. So how it came? Like once James Gosling was having a coffee and he suggested the name as a Java. But Java came after much brainstorming with his team. And the names suggested were dynamic, revolutionary, silk, DNA, Ruby, etc. So the name Java originated from the sort of a coffee bean. Okay. So now Java at the Sun Microsystems in 1995. It was merged into the Sun Microsystems and now it is a part of a Oracle company. Okay, so there are Java versions which are developed when the new release is happening. So the first version that is JDK 1.0 that is primarily from the Oak. So that was released on the date January 1996. After that JDK 1.1, so it was released on Feb 1997. Then the J2SC version 1.2 in the December 1998. So that series um, goes on, and now the latest version of Java is Java SE 18, which was released on March 2022. Okay, But now, uh, Oracle Corporation has decided to follow a pattern in which every even version is released in the March month and the odd version will be released in the September month. Okay. So the next part will be why to use Java, because Java is a open source. A Java is a open source and means it is designed to be publicly accessible. That means anyone can see its source code and distribute the source code as they see. The next one, robustness. So robustness, that means it can handle the runtime errors as it checks the code during the compilation time and the runtime, and it can manage the incorrect input data. Java utilizes strong memory management also. So automatic garbage collection is added, and hence it is ease of use. So it is easy because it is object oriented and it is derived from the C and C++, so it is easy to use. And as it is um, platform independent, so it has cross platform capabilities, so it can run on the different different operating system or different platforms. Also the Java provides the security, so any programming language needs to be secure when we are developing that. So Java offers the large set of APIs, tools, and implementation of the security algorithms and its mechanism. So next is the multi-threaded. It is multi-threaded because Java can handle simultaneous execution of different one or more threads, and which guarantees us the maximum CPU utilization of CPU. So because thread is lightweight and allows us to execute the different tasks. Okay, so the next is distributed. So Java allows the distributed system, that is client and server communication. It has the bottom up with the networking. So Java makes it very easy to be to develop any application for corporate. Okay, huge community support because Java is extensive online offers extensive online community of developer forums, tutorials, blogs, website around 10 million Java developers. So there is a huge scope of IT jobs in it also. So the also it offers the capabilities such as transaction management, availability, clustering, connectivity, performance, and scalability. Hence Java is popular. So where Java is used, so everywhere, so in the world everywhere, mostly everywhere Java is used because it is a heart of Android operating system. So the core libraries of Android are using the standard Java program. So, for example, Java Gradle, Android Glider plugin 3.0, and the latter supports the Java 7 and subset. It also supports the subset of Java 8. So, it is used in the numerous web applications such as online forms, tally, voting polls, online stores, flight booking, ticket booking, and many other login applications. So the next is desktop applications. The desktop applications have attractive interfaces and designs, and they can be stored, or the data manipulation can be done with the database with the desktop application, web server, and application server. So Java can be used in the web servers where it deals with the web containers, and also the application server where the web servers plus application server, that means JSP servlet, command line interface, bin validation, EJB, JPA, JMS, many other application servers are available in Java. So gaming application. So Java is a great language to develop games due to because it is economic and having extensive ecosystem of libraries and tools. And the Java language also supports the uh, different gaming developers, and it is having the it can get the well paid jobs as a Java developer in the gaming industry also. So database connection, the Java is used to connect to the database, so it supports the Hibernate, so and MongoDB. So for each database it can connect, and it is popular for the machine learning and the data science application. It allows to develop the machine learning algorithms for the real world business products and application. And with the help of the third party libraries, any Java developer can implement the machine learning and get into the data science application. And this is not the final list, it is having many more. Okay, so the last part will be how Java work. So, so how the Java internally work. So when we suppose we have a program like program.java. So Java is JDK is having inbuilt compiler and the interpreter. So Java C compiler. So what it will do? It will convert it will compile our program which is having .java extension, and it will convert into the program.class, that means .class file, and .class file will be given to the JVM for execution, and it will run in the and it will give the output, and it will be in the bytecode. So as the Java is cross platform, so it can be run in the different platform also. So so I'm saying like there are two parts, JDK, JVM, JRE. So there are these different terms which we are using in the Java. So JDK is the Java Development Kit. It is a kit must be available in your computer to develop any Java application. So JDK is a whole set of JRE. So Java runtime environment, and what the JRE is included. So it is having the JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, which is responsible for running the application or getting the output getting the output. Java Virtual Machine, and it is also have the library Java libraries, and it is having the development tools like Java C, Java, etc. Okay, so as we go in the deeper in the next sessions, so you will also get to know what is the main difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM, and how they are interconnected with each other when we are developing a Java application. Okay, and a question like is Java a compiler or a interpreter? So you have to give me that answer. So the options available are compiler, interpreter, and both. So guess what will be the output, or what will be the correct answer? Sorry, output, not output. Okay, is it a compiler? Is it a interpreter? Or is it a both? Yeah, you are right. It is both compiler and interpreter, because Java provides both compiler and interpreter. Okay, thank you and happy